Picture this. You're staring at a check engine light. You know something's wrong. The repair bills flash through your mind. What if you could take control instead of waiting for the mechanic? Today, we're going to show you how this one tool might just give you that power. Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel. If you love working on cars, fixing problems yourself, or just want to save money and gain confidence with your vehicle, you're in the right place. Today, we've got the Autel MaxiCheck MX808S, a serious diagnostic tool for DIYers and mechanics alike. We're going to dive into what it is, how it works, the good and the not so good, so by the end, you'll know if it's worth your hard-earned money. What is the scanner? The Autel MaxiCheck MX808S isn't just a code reader. It's a complete car diagnostic tablet. It scans every system, engine, ABS, airbag, transmission, and more, giving you full control and real data in seconds. Think of it as your car's personal doctor, built to test, reset, and even activate components like fans or pumps. Powered by fast Android 11 software, it works smoothly like a modern tablet and delivers dealer-level results right in your hands. Key features of MX808S. 1. Full system diagnostics. Scan every control module like engine, ABS, SRS, and transmission. 28+ service functions, oil reset, DPF, BMS, EPB, SAS, and more maintenance features. Bidirectional control. Test components like fans, windows, and valves directly. Fast Android 11 tablet, 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of storage, smooth 7-inch touchscreen. Auto VIN Smart Scan. Instantly identifies your vehicle for quick and accurate diagnostics. Unboxing. When you open the box, it feels premium right away. Inside, you'll find the MX808S tablet, sturdy build, grippy sides, and a bright 7-inch screen. A heavy-duty OBD2 cable. A solid carrying case, perfect for garages or mobile work. USB cables and manuals. The setup is simple. Charge it, connect to Wi-Fi, and you're ready to scan. That first startup moment hits different when you see how professional the interface looks. Pros and cons. Let's be honest, no tool is perfect, but this one gets a lot right. Pros. Blazing fast performance and responsive screen. Covers almost every major car brand worldwide. Accurate live data and bidirectional control, great for troubleshooting. Regular software updates from Autel keep it relevant for years. Great build quality. It feels solid, not cheap plastic. Cons. It's pricey for casual users. There's a small learning curve if you're totally new to diagnostics. After the first year, you'll need a paid subscription for updates. But if you use it regularly, those downsides fade fast. It's built to last and to pay itself off. Price and value. The Autel MaxiCheck MX808S usually costs around $380 to $420 depending on where you buy it. Sounds steep? Maybe, but here's the truth. 1 or 2 DIY repairs and you've already recovered that cost. Think about the savings from not paying diagnostic fees, not replacing random parts, and knowing exactly what's wrong every time. Final thought. So here's my honest take. The Autel MaxiCheck MX808S bridges the gap between basic scanners and expensive shop-level systems. It's fast, smart, and incredibly capable. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. What's the biggest repair you've tackled yourself? I love reading your stories. Until next time, take care, drive safe, and keep those engines healthy.